What's up, you guys? It's your girl Cassidy. Today, I have swatches for you guys, and I'm super excited because I'm swatching the lip collection that a fellow YouTuber and fellow Instagrammer, social media extraordinaire, Ellarie and Colourpop did a collab together, and this is the entire collection. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I was so excited when I got this because I was like, oh my god, I can do a swatch video because I have the whole collection. So that's what I'm doing today. These colors definitely sparked my interest as soon as I opened this up. So before we get into the swatches, as always, please don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up because you know how much I appreciate it. And while you're down there, you might as well subscribe, of course. Let's get into these swatches. Okay, guys, so here it is. The beautiful, lovely Colourpop and Ellarie collab. So let's just jump right into this thing. How pretty does this look and how gorgeous does she look? Yes, 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 yes. What we have here, we have a lippy stick and then a lip liner pencil, 4 ultra matte lips, and then 2 glosses. So I'm gonna try out these first. The lippy stick and the lip pencil. The lippy pencil is in the shade Ellarie. Cool. And then the lippy stick is in the shade Ellarie as well. Okay, let's get in this thing. Ooh, that's creamy. That's creamy. Okay, that was extremely pigmented and very creamy. Like, it glided onto my lips so easily. I love that. And then taking the matte lippy stick in Ellarie, going in with that. Ooh. Oh, wow. Together, they create this really beautiful, slightly ombre lip. The lip liner is definitely like a very purple, dark undertone, like a dark, dark, dark purple. And then this one is more of like a wine red color, which I feel like both of them would be beautiful on their own, but together, I really like this. So this is Ellarie Lippy Stick and Ellarie Lip Pencil. That was beautiful. Now I'm going to move into the ultra matte lip shades. This one is in the shade Yoshi and it's a beautiful magenta color. I typically don't wear shades like this, but I'm excited to see what this looks like. Wow. I haven't worn a lipstick like this in forever. Ooh, girl, look at this. I'm like so not used to seeing myself with this lipstick shade on, but I'm actually really digging it. Like, I feel like I've been wanting to experiment more with like fun lip shades because I feel like I used to do that all the time when I first started playing and learning about makeup, but then I just kind of got stuck in my ways with my neutrals. But now that I'm like doing these swatch videos, I really, really like this. It's so different from what I'm used to. So I really like it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comments down below. So this is the shade Yoshi. We've got a beautiful red shade here. This is the shade called Red Man. So let's go ahead and try this on. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love this red. This is freaking beautiful. It's definitely one of those like bluer red tones, and I feel like, is it just me or does it have like a tiny hint of orange to it? I love this so much. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to be wearing this like crazy. It's such a pretty red. So this is the shade Red Man. Next up, we have the shade called Sassy, and it looks like it is a very deep plum color. Oh my god, look at this. This is the shade Sassy. Very dark, very, very vampy. What I do love about this is that it's still a very dark plum vampy color, but it's very different from the first lippy stick and the lip pencil. When I saw it from the bottom, I was like, oh, I hope they don't look the same. So that's really nice, is that even though it's in that same like deep plummy tones, they're still different tones, and I really like when people do that in collection. This is super pretty. I really like this. It's very, very, very dark, and I would definitely wear this when I want to make a statement. So this is Sassy. Oh my god, my lips are so red. Please excuse if the swatches are just going downhill. I'm trying my best, okay? It's okay. We're almost done. Almost there, guys. Okay, and now we have our last ultra matte lip. This is the fourth and final one. So this one is in the shade Anyways. Ooh, anything is possible. Oh, that's a really, really dark brown. I like this too. Okay, this is the shade Anyways. I love that there's so much like vampiness and statement lips in this collection. I really, really love that. It's kind of like a reminder that I should step out of my comfort zone. Wow, I managed to do this all with one wipey. Yes. Okay, now we can move on to the part that I'm most excited about of this collection, because I'm just a gloss girl at heart. I love matte lips, but glossy lips just really do it for me. So I have two glossy lips here that she came out with. These are the ultra glossy lips, and the first one that I'm gonna try is Stilo. From looking at the bottle, it looks like it's a beautiful, sparkly nude shade. So typically with glosses, I would always throw on a lip liner, like a neutral lip liner, but just so you guys can see like the full effect of how these glosses are on their own, I'm just gonna not put a liner on. I already love this. Oh my goodness. I don't think I even need to say anything. If you guys watch my channel, you know how close this is to my heart. It's so beautiful. So from the bottle, it looks like it would be like metallic and glittery, but I don't feel glitter chunks at all in this thing, and it's very glossy, so the metallic and shimmery parts are a little bit more subtle, and I think this is so beautiful. I freaking love this. Oh my gosh. And I feel like it'll look even better if I throw like a darker lipstick underneath, or like with a really brown lip liner. Oh my god. I can't wait. So this is the gloss shade Stilo. And last but not least, we have the ultra glossy lip in the shade Neta, or Netta. This one looks like it's really pigmented and a beautiful nude. Ooh, I like this. Wow, this gloss was so pigmented that I didn't even need a lip liner with it. How pretty is that? It's a very beautiful neutral shade. I love that this one is so pigmented that I literally don't need a lip liner, because the actual pigment of the gloss lines my lips itself, if that makes sense. And both of the glosses don't feel sticky at all. Like, I love this formula. It's super shiny, but it feels really lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel like there's syrup on your lips. And this is the shade Netta. Alright you guys, so that is it for the Ellarie by ColourPop collection. I swatched all of these babies for you, and overall, I really like this collection. I have to say that my three favorites are the glosses, of course, because I'm just a basic gloss kind of girl. And I love the pencil and this reddish burgundy lip mixed together. I love the colors of the ultra matte lips. They definitely like push me outside of my comfort zone, and they're really beautiful too, but I feel like my favorites are gonna be the glosses, just because I'm basic. But I just wanted to wish a huge congratulations to ColourPop and Ellarie. This is awesome, and I can't imagine how exciting it must feel to see your name on something so great. So I hope you guys enjoyed these swatches. Please let me know what you think about this collection in the comments down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, because you know how much it means to me from the very bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!